Let me ask you this question. What would you do right now with $250,000? Drop it in the comment section because in this video, I'm going to share with you a company where you can get $250,000 worth of funding for your business with no documentation, and you can qualify with lower credit scores. And we're going to break it down in this video. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. And this year, we're going to show you how to leverage credit to make money. Now, if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a new video. And at my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I have other packages for purchase to help you with your negative items. And I also rolled out my new elite credit system, and users are getting great results, like this user, Sean, who was able to go from a 612 credit score all the way up, overall his scores being 750 within 6 months, and one score being close to 800. And now he has moved on to business credit. So if you guys are interested in cleaning up your credit report with my AI system and my credit coaching, you can sign up, and I leave all these links in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, this company is Get Loot, capital that pays you back. Unlock up to $250,000 today to fuel your business and earn cash back rewards along the way. And the great part, applying does not affect your credit score because they qualify you with a soft pull inquiry. Choose the best working capital option for your business, revenue-based financing that you can unlock up to $50,000 of fast capital with the convenience and flexibility of revenue-based financing. They also offer lines of credit. Experience the freedom of a revolving line of credit where you can borrow as you require and pay solely for the amount that you utilize. Loot offers fast online decisions, same-day funds. You can earn rewards. There's no hard credit check to apply. They only do a soft pull that do not affect your credit score. Loot have a high approval rate and low competitive fees. They offer cashback rewards at Loot. They believe in celebrating your success. You can earn rewards for on-time payments, completing lessons, and sharing supplemental information by referrals and leaving comments. Loot also offer payment skips. If you need flexibility, you can earn free payment skips and be in more control over your cash flow for your business. You can level up to unlock, reach your next level by hitting milestones like repayment history, tenure, revenue growth, and cash flow for access to better products, lower fees, and higher limits. Now, Loot does offer this really good feature, which is to pay off early and save. Loot offers industry-leading early payout discount on the revenue-based finance product, so you can comfortably use us to cover the really short-term working capital gaps. So what they offer, if you pay off within 30 days, fees outstanding are reduced by 50%. If you pay off within 60 days, fees outstanding are reduced by 25%. So that is something I don't see often or at all. So that is a good bonus. Let's check out the two products that they offer, the revenue-based finance and the lines of credit. Now, with the revenue-based financing, quick approvals, no credit checks, zero obligations, and checking to see if you qualify will not affect your credit score. Now, here's how revenue-based financing work. Revenue-based financing is a short-term financing option where a business receives a lump sum of capital upfront in exchange for agreed upon amount upon future revenue. So they're giving you an advance of capital for a discount on your future profits. Now, here's some reasons why you might choose revenue-based financing. Number one, because it's a simpler application. It's 5 minutes to do this online application with no documentation necessary. Also, it offers high approval rates. They can approve in every state in nearly every industry. It's same day funding, so funds can be sent to your business bank account as fast as the same day, and there's no collateral requirement. There is no need to pledge collateral of any kind. You can also receive that early pay discount if you pay off within 30 days. The fees outstanding are reduced by 50%. And if you pay off within 60 days, your outstanding fees is reduced by 25%. Now, here's how repayment options work. You can choose daily debit. This is better for businesses with low daily balances. Then you can also choose weekly debit. This is better for companies with higher daily balances. Now, to be eligible, you need to check that you meet the criteria that's below. Now, the time in business since the registration of the business is a minimum of 6 months. You need annual revenues as a minimum of $25,000 a year. The number of deposits of individual deposits per month is 4 or more in each month. You can apply online for this financing and get a quick decision. Next is their lines of credit. Flexible and convenient access to working capital lines of credit up to $250,000. Now, you can apply for this and it will not affect your credit score. What is a line of credit? A line of credit or a LOC is like having a pool of money that you can borrow from when you need it up to a certain limit. You don't have to take all the money at once. You can use it as you go. Now, this is much better than a business loan because once you pay off that business loan, then what would happen is you don't have access to that money anymore. And with a business loan, you have loan origination fees. With a line of credit, you can borrow off of that line only what you need, and you constantly have access to that money, and you will only pay interest off of what you borrow. Now, why you might choose this line of credit is because it's a simple application, 5 minutes online with no documentation uploads necessary. You can get high limits from $5,000 all the way up to $250,000. They offer same day funding. You can get funds in your bank account as fast as the same day. Then you can have flexible and convenience. So you can draw down and access capital whenever you need it. Now, in order to qualify for this business line of credit, you need time in business since you've been registered at least a minimum of 2 years. Your annual revenue must be a minimum of $250,000 and a FICO score of 650 of an officer or the owner of the business or corporation or whoever is going to personally guarantee for this business line of credit would need that FICO score. So if you're interested in these funding options, you can check it out and you don't need any documentation to qualify because they will connect to your bank accounts with via Plaid so they can see your deposits and then they can determine your approval. Now, hopefully this information was helpful to you. And if you want to check out Luke, I'll leave the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section. So if you guys have any questions, drop it in the comment section. But if you have more detailed and private questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.